Hi and welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a room tour of the Hotel Indigo Hotel in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I am staying here for 2 nights and it's just me. And I think the room that I got is a king size accessible room. So let me turn the camera around and show you everything. Okay, this is whenever you walk in. To your left is the wheelchair accessible bathroom. And you have a very big vanity, and this mirror is lighted, so that's really nice. Toilet area. And then here is the accessible shower. Very big. I love all of the finishes that they used. And then we'll walk back out. It's a very modern industrial looking hotel. So right here we just have your ice bucket, some water and cups, the coffee maker, and then the safe. And then to the left of that is this seating area, but it also has some drawers. 3 of those, and then I'm assuming this is the fridge. Yes. So there's the fridge. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope, all empty. And then above that you have the big TV. And then right here we have a desk and 1 chair. Some more artwork. I'm assuming this is Tulsa. It's very oil field, I don't know, esque. I don't know what I would say. Sorry to make you dizzy. So let me show you this first. Okay, so above the bed, we have this huge picture, and it's I don't know how to describe it. It's not pixelized, but this is, oh my gosh, I freaking forgot his name. It's a big oil man that is by the fairgrounds. It's a picture of them hoisting him up. That's right above the bed, and there's actually a light back here. So that's really neat. King size bed, and then a little chair with an ottoman. There's also a table right here. I'll show you the view in a second. Then you have this huge mirror. That is so nice. So great if you want to take outfit pictures. But then these ceilings are very, very tall. There's the ceiling. And then a huge window. Let's see if I can figure out how to open it. Oh, I have a huge view of construction. Hopefully they don't see me. But where am I? Oh, there's Dilly Diner right there. Used to go to that place a lot. What else? Pilot Tire Bike Shop. Kilwins. Ginia? Not sure how to say that. But yeah. So I got a nice little view. And there's the blue dome. All right, so that was it. Again, I'm sorry for the lighting. It's 6 o'clock right now, so not very good timing. But yeah, that's it. I might include some shots of just the lobby downstairs. It's very nice. They have valet parking. And yeah, they have a restaurant, a rooftop bar. Trying to think. I know they have a fitness center. I don't think they have a spa, but I'll leave all the details down below so that if you are planning a trip to Tulsa, then you might want to check this place out. So thank you so much for watching, and you should probably check out my birthday vlog, which will be up after this video.